Hermione Granger.
Katniss Everdeen.
No weapons and no magic.
Let the rap battle begin.
I'm Katniss and I can't miss. I'm the fastest, you can catch this, make a last wish. Gonna need 3 cannons for this hat trick, so sick of your shtick. All I do is win, you nitpick, that's why I'm the hero and you're just a sidekick. Pathetic and predictable, I'm hot on your trail. Coulda had a victor, but you chose Ginger. I bet with wands drawn, he's still just a yawn, with performances worse than Michael Gambon. Got a nimbus up your butt? Well, let's probe deeper. Never played Quidditch, but you know I'm a keeper. You must be drunk on butterbeer, now grab a cloak and disappear. Who wants to kick this witch's ass? I volunteer.
Oh, there'll be no trouble, cause on stage you struggle. I'll be charming and disarming while I waste this rubbish muggle. I'll end this blasted scroot propaganda prostitute who thinks she's so cute with her Girl Scout salute. Just a tribute. Can't decide which guy's sweeter. Share your bread with Gale, then stuff your mouth with Peter. How does it help the poor to start a civil war? Your story's a bore. Why don't you plagiarize more? It's been done before. Ask Dumbledore. It's Battle Royale set in 1984. And furthermore, if you're keeping score, that's 5 more points for
Gryffindor!
I'll drill this dentist daughter here in her alma mater, about to slaughter this otter. Even Potter knows I'm hotter. I stomp career jocks, kick your British buttocks. For this riddle, second fiddle, you're the Watson to his Sherlock. Turn back the clocks, tick-tock, tick-tock. Odds ever in my favor, cause you rap like an Avoc. Shock the mic like a wire, you'll fry and die on a pyre, cause you're gonna get burned by the girl on fire!
on fire. Oh, just like your dad or the hospital you visited to film a quick ad. I got the cortex to ace my subjects. I got that bad blood while you run with rejects. These coal miner rednecks need reality checks. You're just another pawn in the military complex, a fashion figurehead for the underfed. Brilliant, you survived, but Rue's still dead.
The difference between you and me is book knowledge and street smart. Step to the Mockingjay, you'll end up with scar marks. It's like you're hijacked, you're mental, delirious. We find it funny, but you're dead serious. I'm the pro with a bow and the flow to overthrow Mr. Snow and his whole freaking reality show. Little Miss Perfect, the what's truly twisted. On your parents' happiest day, they forgot you existed.
Balls like, hey Mitch, the smartest witch, I own this bitch. Hey, how are you still hungry in that beefcake sandwich? Fraud wedding, fake baby, and your flames don't exist. So-called star-crossed Lovers need a camera to kiss. I sling unforgettable verses like unforgivable curses. What's worse is your universe isn't immersive. Your glory's only temporary. Your country is a mortuary. Next on your itinerary, kill yourself, eat the berry.
You did such a great job.
I didn't mean any of those awful things that I said.
I know, sweetie.
Saucy.